Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Garl with your first OG lesson for this week, and let's get started. A vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. A consonant is all other letters. These are the short vowels. A, A, and I. Very good job. Now we're going to do the short and the long sounds of our vowels. A, O. I, E. A, U, U. Excellent. All right, we are going to skip the H brothers, and we are going to go to our consonant sounds. Here we go. K, S, P, M, T, X, S, N, Qua. Q is always followed by U. D, Z, O, K, B, J. No English word ends in J. W, G, J. V. No English word ends in V, always followed by a silent E. Very good job. Owl, add a T, towel. All, add a T. Very good. Ang, ing, ong, ung. Add a S. Sang, sing, song, sung. Ank, ink, onk, unk. Add a Z. Zank, zink, zonk, zunk. Very good. All right, someone in my class made a request that I shuffle the bee checker cards, so I'm going to do that right now. So everybody take out your bee checker. Remember, it's your left hand, and when you hold up your left hand, you're going to see a capital L. Left hand. Here we go. Last one. Very good job. All right. A syllable is a word or part of a word with only one vowel sound. And you can say these with me. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, Z is spelled ZZ. An example would be fizz. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ul is spelled LL. An example would be still. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, f is spelled FF. An example would be puff. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, s is spelled SS. An example would be hiss. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, k is spelled CK. An example would be lick. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH. An example would be pitch. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, j is spelled DGE. An example would be judge. Very good job. Speaking of syllables, I want to review with you open and closed syllables. Now that you're experts on vowels and consonants, okay? Remember, an open syllable is just a part. It could be a part of a word. It doesn't have to be a real whole word, okay? So stay would be an open syllable because here's the vowel, and notice how there is not a consonant in front and behind. It's open on the end. That is an open syllable. When it's an open syllable, it means the vowel says its name. Stay. Okay? If it's a closed syllable, it looks like this. Here's your vowel. Remember this? We've done this before. It's closed because there's a consonant in front and behind. And when you see a closed syllable, it means that the vowel says its short sound, which is the one that has the motion with it. K-in, kin. This might be a syllable that you would hear in the word Kindle, like a Kindle Fire, which is a tablet, okay? This one might be a syllable in the word station, like the fire station, all right? So open syllable, the vowel says its name. Closed syllable, the vowel says the one that has the motion, like that, short vowel. So let's do some more. Here we go. When I go like this, I need you to say the word. Tay, drum, so, necked. Okay, now I'm going to let you say them without me. Okay, so I'm not going to go like this. As soon as I flip the card, you can say it with me. You can say it. This would be like in the word prices, prices, mittens, me. You already know that word. Lem, like a lemon. May. Sigh, like in sign, the word sign. Prob, like in the word problem. Okay, this is a closed syllable, so the this says ha, app. Hap, like it happens. Okay, very good job. I'm going to run you through your suffixes really quick. Remember, a suffix is a letter or letters that you add to the end of the word to change the meaning. And here are some of our suffixes. Est, S, is. This is a vowel suffix, right? Ud, d, t. This is also a vowel suffix. Ing, vowel suffix. Lee. Very good. Remember when you see that Y on the end, it makes the long E sound. Lee. Okay. I think I'm going to skip 1 plus 1 plus 1 today. And I'm going to remind you that compound words are two short words put together to make one big word, like bookshelf. We are going to do some more work with silent E today. Remember, it's a magic E, and it makes the vowel that's in the word turn into a long vowel that says its name. Okay? I made some flashcards this week. Some of them do not have the silent E, so the A makes a short sound. Ah, rat, rat. However, if I add the magic E, it turns into rate, rate. That means like a speed that you would go, or rate. What the rate of something would be at the store, like how much it would cost. All right. Rat, rate. Okay, so I'm going to flip these cards for you, and when I go like this, I want you to say them. Here we go. Ooh, that's not a very nice word, is it? Gape means that you stare at someone. All right, gap turns into gape when you add a silent E. We'll do some more practice with that another time also. All right, I think we are ready to do our words today. I purposefully put some vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel words here, since we've been practicing those. For instance, if you did not know this word, you could see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and you would know that you could divide it into syllables right in between the two consonants, and it would say plastic, plastic. Okay? All right, so repeat after me. Plastic, publish, funny. Oh, and by the way, in the word funny, this Y counts as a vowel. So that makes this word a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So you could divide it right here. Funny, funny, 2 syllables. Melting, badge. Shutting, tipping, smack. Stitch, and classes. All right, here's a question for you. Look at these words. There are 10 words here. See if you can figure out how many of those 10 words have 2 syllables. Ready? How many do you think have 2 syllables? If you said 7, you are correct. The only ones that don't have 2 syllables are badge, smack, and stitch. All right. Let's read these words again. This time you do not have to repeat after me. Plastic, publish, funny, melting, badge, shutting. Ooh, this is a 1 + 1 + 1. Tipping, so is this one. Smack, stitch, classes. All right. I'm looking for a word that means that you send something you write to an office and they tell you whether it can turn into a book or not. If you said publish, you are correct. Do you remember in the Helen Lester book last week called Author about how she had to send her book away so many times to get it published? Yes. Got to keep trying. All right. I'm looking for a word, and the synonym for this word is hilarious. The synonym is hilarious. If you said funny, you are correct. I'm looking for a word, and the synonym is hit. Hit. If you said smack, you are correct. I'm looking for a word that is something that a police officer or a fire chief might wear. If you said badge, you are correct. I'm looking for something that is the antonym for opening. Remember, antonym means opposite. The antonym for opening. If you said shutting, you are correct. All right, are you ready to do medium fast? Here we go. Plastic, publish, funny, melting, badge, shutting, tipping, smack, stitch, classes. A little bit faster. Plastic, publish, funny, melting, badge, shutting, tipping, smack, stitch, classes. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go. Wow. Did you beat the teacher? I hope you did. And like I said last week, these words are getting harder and harder for you to sound out and read, and you're doing a great job. So keep up the good work. Remember to use the rules that you've been learning in your writing every day. All right. Have a great day. Bye.